Before you buy a stock, you should first check, does it actually outperform the S&P 500? The S&P 500 is the ultimate benchmark. So the easiest way to tell if a stock is outperforming the S&P 500 is to use the S&P 500 benchmark prompt. So we'll type that in and then we'll just list off the ones that we want to check. So let me look at Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, and let's say Tesla. So we'll run this prompt. It's going to pull data on those assets and then we'll compare it to the S&P 500 index. So the S&P 500 did 27% in the last 2 years. Apple did 53, Nvidia. Microsoft is actually negative for the last 2 years, which is kind of amazing. Tesla up 113, which is the highest return out of all of these. So the first thing you do is you check growth. The second thing you check is the risk-adjusted return. So the S&P 500 is right here. I like to look at the Sortino ratio. So Apple looks good, Microsoft is not looking so good. Nvidia and Tesla both are outperforming the S&P, so all good there. But looks like outperformers are Tesla, Nvidia, and Apple. Underperformer, Microsoft. So I do this for every stock. Like, I never buy anything without first checking to make sure that there's good reason to buy it and that it's outperforming the S&P 500 over some period of time. Because if something's not outperforming S&P 500, you really have no business buying it.